Hey y'all, so today we're decorating for Christmas. I actually done this back on around November 1st, but I just have not had a chance to edit it, so yeah, here we are after Thanksgiving. I'm finally uploading this video. So my youngest son absolutely loves Christmas, so he was so excited to do this with me. He loves to decorate the Christmas tree, and he loves to decorate his Christmas tree in his room, so he was really excited about all that. He did help me do the Christmas village in my dining room, so I'll share that with you guys as well. So he was really surprised that I could pick up this Christmas tree. And you'll see he does like a lot of little dances and stuff because he's just so excited. I got this tree from Amazon. It was a super cheap tree. It's not a pre-lit, so I do have to add lights to it, but I got the lights from Amazon as well.
I love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite.
I know.
Now let's get all the decorations straight up on there.
So this tree does look a little cheap up close. I do love the little pine cones on it, and once you decorate it and put your lights and everything on it, it all comes together. And I would say for as cheap as it was definitely worth it. I'm not the type to spend a whole lot of money on things like this, so I usually go the budget route.
Happy Christmas.
And these lights have features on them where I can switch them between twinkle lights and all different types of modes. I will link those down below because I love them. I've had them for over 2 years now, I want to say, and they still work really well, and I just love that it has different settings on them and they weren't very expensive either. And for me, it's all about the value of like what you're going to get out of it. So like with this being a non-pre-lit tree, and then I can add my lights to it, so if the lights were to mess up or anything, I can just buy new lights for it, but the tree will be good for as long as I want to keep it. So this is our tree completely decorated. I have it switched back to the solid lights. So all of these little things were passed down to us from my husband's parents. They passed away a few years ago, but they were really big on Christmas as well. So they had a whole lot of Christmas decorations. I mean, for inside the house and outside the house. And I'm so thankful for it because I'm able to just fully decorate the house and just make it so special for the kids. And it just has so much more meaning with it being something from them and knowing that it was things that they really cherished and they had in their house. So it's a lot of classic Christmas items. It has that warm, cozy feel to me and just makes you feel happy just looking at them, especially like all the glittery things and all the Santa Clauses and just everything being so colorful and just beautiful. So these little snowmen are my favorite. I usually decorate my kitchen with them. There's all different colors and they all just have little matching tops for them. And this piece right here is super heavy, but it's so beautiful. You'll see my cat is like checking everything out. But I usually put this on my dining room table. I have another one that I put on the other side as well. Now it's time to hang the stockings, and I got these really fun stockings from Amazon. They're kind of silly. They're not like super serious, but I love the look of them, and they're just more on the fun side. So I love being colorful and just bright for Christmas, so I have colorful lights hanging above my doorway, and then I usually put a little sign above the doorway as well. And that's the theme I usually go with, just colorful and cozy. So this is my Christmas village. This was passed down from my husband's parents as well, and we usually decorate our dining room with that. So here's my living room completely finished. I did do the rest of my house as well, but I'll have to share that with you guys at another time when I don't have things just kind of everywhere. But if you would like to see the rest of my house, just let me know in the comments. I do plan on doing an updated video later on when I decorate the outside, because I still haven't decorated the outside of my house yet. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all on the next video.